$13.10, up about 39.91%. Let's talk to Gilbert Okpata now, financial market analyst. Hello, Gilbert. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Ladi.
Good morning, Gilbert. So it's all about the Fed minutes from the last meeting, the December meeting, and every investor is looking at that. From the investors in equities, risk assets in the U.S., even crypto investors, all looking at the minutes. But some say it's bullish for crypto, some say it's bearish because it looks like the Fed are still going to raise rates. But it's now about how much, how high are they going to go with the next rate hike? How are you seeing it?
Right. These days, macroeconomics like this is the main driver for the cryptocurrency market. And so activities like this is what investors just need to pay attention to. The previous numbers for like today's non-farm payroll was 263,000, while our expected numbers for today's 200,000. Why would we pay attention to today's number? Wednesday's Fed meeting, actually, the minutes which was published actually showed that the Feds are still committed on their plan to increase interest rates in 2023, even though they are inclining towards more of a flexible rate. And they also agree that they should increase this rate in a slow way, that gradually, in a way that will not trigger some economic risks to the economy. But while Bitcoin sits more on a very good support presently, we still see the dollar. The dollar is positioned on a breakout. At this point, more of a breakout continuation will be bad for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. But looking at the flexibility at which the Fed still want to increase rates this time around, but slow, which means we are not going to see the kind of aggressive rate hike we have always had in previous months. I think, after each bubble will always lead to a deflation. We have had the stock market in its bubble, the cryptocurrency market in the bubble. Right now, we have the debt market, which is the government bond, presently in its own bubble. While the cryptocurrency market or risk-on asset seems like they are dissipating into a bottom, likewise, I also think that the bond market or the debt market is heading onto its own high. So I think this is actually a year where we are going to see the bond market reach its high and risk-on asset, crypto included, look for a solid bottom, while we still pay attention to the macroeconomics.
Yeah, and obviously every investor out there is still looking for the bottom in risk assets. But obviously it all depends on what the Fed and other central bankers do in 2023. All right, thank you so much, Gilbert Okpata, financial market analyst.
All right, thanks for having me.
All right, so there you have it. It's all about the Fed, central bankers right now, all eyes on what they do in 2023 to bring down inflation.
Yeah, well, I wish you would say it's all about the Central Bank of Nigeria.
Well, including the Central Bank of Nigeria.
One day we will determine the market in the world.
Someday, yeah.
Thank you so much, Ladi. See you at 1:30.